Re-all the guys 100 times. Look,
I'm just scratching the surface.
I swear this up foot's bad. She telling me she want K6. Nah, she can't have me cause I'm a real bad boy, aye. I'm a real bad boy from south. Come round, they get bun like aye. Look, aye. K6 back on the track, I said my bro no beef in this. Piast a lot, don't want the smoke, get chef or shot like aye. Did it Bobby thinks he's a bad man, come round here and fucking trap. I swear that boy, he don't want me. K6 in the back of the ride with P9, come round here, get spun like I swear this up foot want me, but she can't have me. I'm a real bad boy from south, like who's on what? I swear K6 is a bad man, come round here, get shot or poked like yo, what's fucking good, get chef or shot like aye. Get chef or shot like aye, I come round here and chef man's eye, yeah, aye. A chef man's fucking eye like yo, aye. Listen, aye, look, aye. This bad bitch telling me she loves me. She don't fucking do that. She's telling me that she loves me, but she don't, she's lying like aye. Swear she's lying, come round here, no capping. I swear that bitch is fake. She telling me stop the rapping, but nah, I can't do that. Rapping is my life, so my bro don't fucking do that. I come round here, get spun. These tracks like come round here, get fucking whacked. I get fucking spun. That bitch telling me stop rapping. Nah, fuck that, I can't stop rapping. K6 back on the track. My bro stop the acting. Piast a lot, don't fucking want it. Come round here, get chef, no capping. Get chef, no fucking capping. How many man got chinged then spun, my bro, man? How many man got whacked? Aye. How many man got spun? Remember the days in OT, that bitch telling me stop the rapping. Nah, fuck that, she's fucking capping. Come round here and whack him. Come round here and pack him. Two in the blue, that's the start of pack. Yeah, I fucking trap. Come round here and fucking whack, pack, cat. Aye, she's a fucking cat. Aye, stop the acting. Yo, I swear this bitch telling me why the fuck you lying? Nah, stop lying. If she breaks my heart, I swear I'll find her and I'll kill her. My bro swear I'll fucking whack her. Only brotherhood. I swear that's all we got, so my bro keep it fucking good. Keep it good. Like my bro over there, recording the fucking track in the back of the glide. I ain't talking, I ain't talking on that shit, my bro, man. Come round here, get spun, I swear. All of these man are dead, like their fucking friends, like their friends. All of them man are backed. My bro vibe into the song like come round here, get packed, Free everyone, pozdro da Puana jeszcze raz I pozdro do całej ekipy,